Dito lang. Cute naman dito. Ano nalagyan nito? I'm gonna get water. Kahirapan na to. Wala, may lettuce.
Huwag magulay ka today, Clark.
Bait mo naman, Clark.
Jay, magani ka.
Hindi. Ayoko.
Tomorrow na lang daan eh.
Maglumpia ako tsaka mag-shopaw.
Magturon ko. Magturon ka?
Guys, I'm sick. Hello, this is our This is Sunday box. Too big. Tipid syrup. Not by choice, but by circumstances. So, I bought shopaw. Wala to ketchup na kasali. We're going to church. Day 2 at Save. Guys, we're so tired.
Guys, karam natin yung Jeep Chronicle. Ay, top 1 pa din talaga yun.
Top 1. Look at my fit. Where's my coffee? Napaubos na.
Look, I'm wearing my cute sock.
It's strawberry.
Yeah.
I'm wearing all brown. My coffee is brown. She's wearing gray. Kla is purple.
You know,
Violet. Happy good ang akong TikTok. This is mine. Wow, I like puno. Hindi ko alam.
0536.
Kla is cooking pakbet. It's so colorful. Say hi, Kla. Ito, pwede na to ilagay doon sa ano. Let's discard this. Okay na to. Okay na tong packet nito.
Alaya tayo. May talong pa doon. May veggies ko ng nanguntiyan. Baka na itong nakaulo,
Di amoeba, oh.
IBS. my favorite. Yung malaki na nabiling ko, akala ko kayo ka, Nor. Yes. Okay.
Wala spicy. Charot. Nag-demand.
Ay, spicy sa sunod.
Hot sauce. Pero wala asin.
Sabi na, may kalat pa.
We're assigned to cook again.
Good morning.
Alright, there you have it. Hala, nagandi ay gato. Alright, there you have it.
Ayan.
Ayan. Pwede maligo? Pwede daw? Pwede sa kabila? Sa kabila?
Baka hindi na alam na dito tayo nakatira.
Gani. Baka paalisin na naman tayo dun, ha? Nagtan ka.
Nagtan ba dito?
Kinsa nagtan?
Kita ba after magtan?
Alright.
Ayan.
I'm barely standing up, guys.
Dapat. Wow, 5 feet.
No, I'm 4'11 only.
Bubod na bubod.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright.
There you have it.
Wow, samyang for today.
Bring it so.
Ate Bat, say hi. Say hi, Clark. Hello. This is my final look. I like the lighting here. Because it's my first time to curl my hair. Okay, Clark.
Freak.
Sorry. I blur. This is the bag I'll be using.
Is that Kayla?
Sun.
Ang? Itong sa likod din.
Thanks to you, bro. Because it's so traffic, bro.
Ako palang gikli. Ay,
Go, go. Okay na.
Agad na siya magpamili.
just wait.
It's for me. It's for me.
For you.
You get the pink one.
Open it. Hindi, sige, go. Dapat may flash.
Ang ganda. What the
Yate ko pa, uy.
I can't shake the simplest feeling beyond the ghost.
Bye.
Don't you like when I'm around? Could you just pretend you care? I belong with you, my love. Dreaming you anywhere.
Goodbye. Guys, we cooked adobo. Perfect, di ba?
Ay. Perfect. Hindi talaga.
Siyempre. Auxiliary stuff. Asa si Clark?
Nauna ni si Kla, nandun na siya. Sa bahada na siya.
Sa Exilero.
Auxiliary.
Exilero.
Mga na-clutch.
Wait, basbas good ang bilang eh.
Yeah.
Sabi na rin ang
Even though it's Monday.
Talagang sa'yo pa kami ng bag ni ate. Ako na una sa gym. Ako na una.
Di ba, pagka-upo yung gawin, tawag talaga kita.
Ate na po. Lang ka remember?
One of these days.
These days.
Not now.
Not now.
Kasi nag-aabang kami ng jeep.
Ibang shrimps muna kami.
Okay.
Ha? Ibigay ko magkaon bila sa gabalot ko.
We got hot tea.
It's literal na hot.
It's so init.